संगीताचे माध्यमांतल्यान चॅरिटी करपी गोयचे कार्लोस गोन्साल्विसाक रेक्स करमवीर ग्लोबल फेलो आणि करमवीर चक्र अवॉर्ड फावो जालो.
For me, it's an immense pleasure for receiving this award. I was been chosen for the award through my music, and this award was specially for me for the charity what I do in music. When I went to Sri Lanka, I did slum drumming. I used to go in the slums, do drumming, and they invited me to different schools. Then I did a lot of drumming for retarded children, blind, the handicapped, so you name it. So this award was been awarded to me from in Delhi by this Rex group, Congo, which is a UN organization. They are jointly associated with UN. So it is a privilege and a great honor for Goa, and I was been nominated for the gold medal. So it was very nice, and I feel for me it's a proud moment that being a Goan there at Federal Settlement, and I'm proud to be a Goan. And I'd like to thank all my fans, all my friends, all well wishers. It was joy moment for me, like getting a gold medal. For my, I did a lot of music, but this work what I used to do charity, that was on the quiet. But these people recognized it, so it is a happiest moment for me for doing something good to these people. Especially retarded, all these handicapped people.